Hi guys, how are you today? Today we are going to provide in-depth product review of Airbus A220 business jet. The Airbus A220, originally designed as a commercial airliner, has been expertly adapted into a luxurious business jet, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology, unparalleled comfort, and impressive operational efficiency. Whether you are traversing or the scorching heat of desert climates or navigating the icy altitudes of northern skies, the A220 is a testament of Airbus's commitment to excellence in both passenger experience and aircraft performance. This review will delve into the Airbus A220's capabilities, from its versatility in diverse weather conditions to the operational requirements and the luxurious experience it provides. A new standard in business aviation. The Airbus A220 represents a significant leap in the business aviation sector, primarily due to its origins as a commercial airliner. The aircraft is designed to comfortably accommodate between 100 to 150 passengers in its commercial configuration. But as a business jet, the interior can be customized to create a lavish environment situated to the most discerning clients. This jet offers not just transportation, but a mobile office and lounge with state-of-the-art amenities that redefine what it means to travel in style. Weather versatility, hot and cold performance. One of the standout features of the Airbus A220 is its ability to perform exceptionally well in both hot and cold weather conditions, making it an ideal choice for global operations. The aircraft is equipped with advanced environmental control systems that ensure passenger comfort regardless of the external climate. Hot weather capabilities. The A220 is designed to operate efficiently in high temperature environments, often found in desert regions and tropical climates. The aircraft's powerful engines, combined with an optimized aerodynamics profile, allow it to perform takeoffs and landings even in extreme heat, where other aircrafts might struggle. The jet's advanced cooling systems prevent overheating, ensuring that both passengers and crew remain comfortable throughout the journey. Cold weather condition capabilities. When flying in cold environments, the A220 is equally capable. The aircraft is equipped with de-icing systems that keep the wings and control surfaces free of ice, ensuring safe and efficient operations even in freezing conditions. The aircraft's environmental control systems is designed to maintain a warm and comfortable cabin environment, regardless of the harsh cold outside. This is particularly crucial for operations in northern regions where temperatures can plummet. But the A220's technology ensures that these conditions have minimal impact on performance. Operational efficiency, crew requirements, and aircraft management. Operating a business jet like the Airbus A220 requires a well-coordinated team, but Airbus has streamlined these requirements to ensure that the aircraft is not only luxurious but also efficient to operate. Total crew requirements. The A220 typically requires a minimal crew for operations, making it an attractive option for business jet owners. A standard crew configuration includes two pilots in the cockpit, ensuring that the aircraft is operated safely and efficiently, depending on the configuration and the services offered on board. The cabin crew can range from 1 to 3 members. This allows for a highly personalized service with the flexibility to adjust the crew size based on the specific needs of the flight. Aircraft management. The Airbus A220 is equipped with the latest in avionics and flight management systems, which not only enhance safety but also reduce the workload for the pilots. The aircraft's fly-by-wire technology ensures smooth handling, while its advanced autopilot and navigation systems allow for more efficient route planning and fuel management. This means that the A220 can operate long-haul flights with fewer stops, making it ideal for international business travel. The ease of operation extends beyond the flight deck. Maintenance and operational checks are simplified thanks to the A220's design, which includes easily accessible components and advanced diagnostic systems that alert ground crews to potential issues before they become problems. This reduces downtime and ensures that the aircraft remain in peak operating condition, ready to fly at a moment's notice. Luxurious interior, a flying office and lounge. The Airbus A220 business jet is not just a mode of transportation, it's a testament of luxury and functionality. The interior of the A220 can be customized to meet the exact specifications of the owner, creating a space that serves as both an office and a lounge. Customization and design. The A220's spacious cabin allows for a variety of layouts, from conference rooms and private offices to lounges and sleeping quarters. High quality materials, bespoke furnishings, and state-of-the-art technology come together to create an environment that is both luxurious and highly functional. The cabin can be equipped with the latest in communication technology, including satellite internet, video conferencing facilities, and entertainment systems, ensuring that passengers can stay connected and productive during their flight. Comfort and amenities. Passenger comfort is paramount in the A220. The aircraft's large windows provide natural light and stunning views, while the quiet cabin environment ensures a peaceful journey. The seats are designed for maximum comfort with optional for full live flight beds, perfect for long-haul flights. The cabin's air filtration system ensures that the air inside is always fresh and clean, contributing to the overall sense of well-being on board. The A220 also features a fully equipped galley, allowing for gourmet meals to be prepared and served at 30,000 feet. Whether entertaining clients or relaxing after a long day, the A220 provides all the amenities needed to make every flight an enjoyable experience. Performance and range, designed for global reach. One of the key advantages of the Airbus A220 as a business jet is its impressive range and performance capabilities. The aircraft is designed for efficiency with a range that allows it to cover intercontinental distances with ease. Performance. The A220's performance is underpinned by its advanced Pratt & Whitney PW1500G engines, which offer high thrust and fuel efficiency. This allows the aircraft to achieve a maximum range of approximately 3,400 nautical miles, making it capable of non-stop flights between major cities such as New York and London or Paris and Dubai. The aircraft's performance is further enhanced by its aerodynamic design, which reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency, contributing to lower operating costs and a smaller environmental footprint. Global reach. The A220's range makes it a true global business jet, capable of connecting cities across continents without the need for refueling stops. This is particularly valuable for business travelers who need to maximize their time and maximize the inconvenience of layovers. The A220's ability to operate from smaller airports also adds to its versatility, providing access to destinations that might be out of reach for larger jets. Sustainability, a greener choice for business aviation. In today's world, sustainability is more important than ever, and the Airbus A220 is designed with this in mind. The aircraft's efficient engines and lightweight design contribute to lower CO2 emissions, making it one of the more environmentally friendly options in the business jet market. Fuel efficiency. The A220's engines are designed to be highly fuel efficient, consuming 20% less fuel than previous generation aircraft. This not only reduces operating costs but also significantly cuts down on carbon emissions. For business travelers concerned about their environmental impact, the A220 offers a more sustainable option without compromising on luxury and performance. Noise reduction. In addition to its fuel efficiency, the A220 is designed to be quieter than other aircraft in its class. The engines produce less noise, both inside the cabin and in the surrounding environment, which is particularly beneficial when operating from noise-sensitive airports. Conclusion. The Airbus A220, a new era in business aviation. The Airbus A220 business jet is more than just an aircraft. It's a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets luxury. Whether you're flying across continents or managing your business on the go, the A220 provides the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and sustainability. It's an aircraft that not only meets the demands of today's business travelers but also sets the standard for the future of business aviation. From its versatile weather performance and efficient crew requirements to its luxurious interior and impressive range, the A220 is designed to inspire. It's a jet that redefines what it means to travel in style, offering a level of comfort and convenience that is unmatched in the business aviation sector. Are you ready to elevate your business travel experience? Subscribe now for more in-depth reviews and insights into the world of luxury aviation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on what you think about the Airbus A220. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you.